What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day today and had a good productive day. So this video is basically what I've been working on, what I'm trying to improve on right now for me as a trader. And so if you think it's valid, listen to me. If you don't think it's valid, then don't. It's up to you. You could listen, and if you consider it valid, implement it and you might see positive things. So this is currently what I'm doing. So trust the process rather than the money. So if you guys know Justin Werlane, sorry if I'm saying it wrong, he's a pretty popular trader. I would say one of my favorite, just the way how he approaches things. He talks a lot about this, trust the process rather than the money, and I respect it. And again, this is the basic summary of what I am currently trying to do to improve as a trader. It's continuously improvement, so I'm always trying to improve. Okay, so the first thing is getting my attention off of the money. And this is basically what I'm doing to get my attention off of the money. So I'm purely focusing on being a better trader. So basically, in order to be profitable, you just need to be a good trader. It sounds stupid, but it's simple just like that. If you're a bad trader, you won't be profitable. Many people I see are just trying to be profitable without going through the steps to be a good trader. So that's pretty much what I'm trying to focus on in the meantime, is focusing just on being a good trader. So one thing I'm doing is I'm doing more practicing with demo, just because demo, you're not worried about the money. You're more worried about your process of just your strategy and all that, because you're not worried about the money because there's no money to risk. So I'm practicing with demo, and I'm focused on implementing habits that a good trader would have. And we're going to be talking about self-avatar in a little bit. So yeah. All right, so self-avatar, sorry. That's basically the thing I'm doing to get my money off of getting my attention off the money, sorry. So self-avatar, basic summary, think of the trader you want to be in the future. So in 5 years, think of the trader you want to be. If you want to be profitable, good trader, I mean, hopefully you want to be profitable, but just find out characteristics and stuff, then find out ways how to become that type of trader. So I have a Google Docs in the description of the video. Make sure to fill out those questions. Then once you're done, figure out how to become that person. So let's just say I want to make 10K a month trading. I want to have all these characteristics. I fill it out, then boom, I'll figure out ways how to become that person. So I find it useful. I personally like it. I use it for other stuff. It's just not trading. So yeah. All right. Next part is directing my attention to the process and journey. Some ways how I do this is just trying my best to get a better understanding on what my edge is and creating my strategy. So once I have a full understanding of my edges, I just boost my confidence a bunch in the market. I trust the process more because I'm not scared about stuff in the market. I don't really know, but yeah, and just creating my strategy, because I really try and do this, especially with me demo trading right now after like a year and a half of live trading, because I never really knew what my exact strategy was. Sounds weird, but I never knew my exact, which is bad. So that's why I'm fixing it right now. So I'm locked in on that. Then more focused on actually learning the skill. This is a big one because, like I said earlier, many people just try and get profitable without actually learning the skill to be profitable. So you need to be dialed in every day, trying to learn the skill first before you could become profitable. And that's just how it is. If you don't have the skills, you won't be profitable. For example, professional football player, you need to have the skills to be a professional. You just don't automatically be professional. That's the same thing with trading and profitability. So, and the third one is just be more intentional with being consistent to the process. This involves me, I'm gonna start journaling every day in my journal if I stuck to the process or devoted my mind to the money. So that's one thing I'm gonna be doing. And just accepting the fact that you have to be a good trader to make good profits. Like I said earlier, I've said this many times this video, you need to be a good trader to make profits. So first you need to turn into a good trader. So I said that many times, but I feel like it's very important. So make sure to respect the process of being a good trader. Just have fun with the journey. It's going to be a long one, most likely. So yeah. And last notes. These are all the things I'm working on. So if you think they're valid, make sure to try it. And if you don't think they're valid, then don't try it. It's your decision. Then something hard, this is just a last little note. Something hard will not come quick, so might as well respect and enjoy the process. So just enjoy it. You know, I try and enjoy everything, so yeah. And that's pretty much a video. Subscribe and make sure to join the free community. Link in the description. And hope you guys have a good day and keep winning your days. Laters.